I received a complimentary lipstick as in a set of 4 lipsticks. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I haven't uploaded a video on the YouTube, so thought of sharing the Nykaa box. That is what I got. Quite a few things from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So let's not waste any further more time and get into the video. Okay, let's start. So let's begin with the makeup only. Okay, I have got this eyeshadow palette from Nykaa. Okay, this is in the shade Caramel Crunch. I just wanted some neutral shades to, learn some eyeshadow tricks. So this is it. I'll show you some basic shades, needed ones. So that's it. I got this one at a good discount. That's what was about the sale, right? And next up we have this brush, which is from Vega. This is just a minute. It's an angular brush. As you can see, I got it to learn a few more eyebrow tricks. And what else, in spite of using this on my eyebrows, I end up using this on the lower lash line. That's what I have used this couple of times. Okay, next up, okay, this is also from Nykaa. I've got the mini version of their matte collection. It's quite tiny, which I didn't expect that it would be such a small product, but the shade is amazing. Okay, I'll show you.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's it. The shade is very nice, and I have got the shade which is called Madras Kapi. Beautiful shade. I would be also getting a bigger size with it for sure. Next up, I have got a primer which is from Smashbox. This is my first, not a primer, I wanted a makeup fixer. I was scared not to use local products because I get breakouts easily. So this is what I have tried. So I have ordered a mini version from them. Okay, very nice. But okay, next up, okay, let's get to this. Also I have ordered Ghar Ka Saman Thoda Bahut. So this is the Pierce soap, which says buy 3 get 1 free. In spite of this, they had an offer because I will mention the rates in the description box below. Okay, so that's it. Next up, also abhi ghar ka saman bol hi diya hai, to also I have got this Listerine. Actually this was 3 ka pack, so I have used 1 bottle, so that's it. Sorry. Yeah, this is interesting. I got a stick foundation for the first time. This is from Sugar. Okay, this is nice. I have tried this 1 or 2 times. This is the shade. You get a stick foundation. Okay, and you also get a tiny brush to blend the foundation, which is good, a plus point. And also I have tried blending the foundation with the same brush. So yeah, also I am in the shade 47 in this foundation. Okay, next up, I got a blush from Sugar itself. The packaging is like this. You have to open this, and it's a magnet, and I quite like the packaging. It's a mini version again of the blush, and Okay, I have used this as well in the Rakhi. Okay, so you can see there is quite a bit fallout, but the shade is amazing. Okay, especially the shade matches my skin tone well. I have not applied it right now, but I'm in this shade Mauve Marble, which is 03. Okay, so the interesting part is right here. I have got two products from Sugar, which is the foundation and a blush, on which I received a complimentary lipstick as in a set of 4 mini lipsticks. Sorry, I am so excited. You see, this was the packaging. I can't resist it, so मैंने open कर दिया था तभी. Okay, it's like this, 4 mini lipsticks, and also the shades are amazing. Okay, I have opened the packaging, the cardboard packaging, and these are the shades. Okay, I'll read out the shade number and names for you, so it would be easier to find out. Okay, starting with this. This is shade number 25, which is called Berry Mulberry. Okay, and next is this Hot Shot 43, a hot pink shade, fuchsia I guess, and this is called Drop Dead Red in the shade 10, and this is the last one, which is called Wine and Shine in the shade number 8. This is the shade. Okay, I have recently uploaded a picture on Instagram also. You can check it. I'll leave it in the description box below, the handle, or also on the screen. So this is the shade, which is called Drop Dead Red. You can check it out. Okay, that's it for the lipsticks, I mean from the Sugar. I just loved it. And last but not the least, I have kept all the nail prints from, in a box. I didn't got the box from them, but I just wanted to organize. I got 10 new shades from Faces Canada. Okay, I'll read out the names for you and the shades. This one is Plum. It's in the shade number 207. Okay, and next is this in the shade Copper Glaze 57, and this is a silver shade, which is called Silver Frost in the number 61, and this one a yellow nail paint, which I got for first time. Okay, excuse my messy hand. This is called Sunny Side Up in the shade number 51, bright yellow shade. Another, I wanted a maroon shade, so I got this one. This is called Maroon 401, and next up a baby pink shade, you can say. This is it, and it says Ballerina. I can't spell it right, I'm sorry, but the shade number is 201, and this is also a nice shade. This one, I guess I'm wearing the same nail paint. Yeah, this is called Twinkle, and the shade number is 36. And next is this. This is okay. This is in the shade Floral Dream, and the shade number is 56. I have got another bottle. I had this same shade before also, so this is my second purchase, as in the second bottle. Okay, this is a new shade that I got. This is called Purple Rain, and the shade number is 19. And the last one, I got a coral color, and yeah, the name is Coral Island. The shade number is 62. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's it for today. I also wanted to mention that Nykaa is also what we say selling household items. Like I also got a few more items which I haven't included in the box, like Vim liquid and what else I got, Harpic, Whisper and many more. I mean couple of more. So that's it. I wanted to mention this because the quality is good, and also it wasn't available I guess on Nykaa. Previously after the lockdown it's available I guess, I'm not sure. So that's it. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends and family. That's it. Bye. Thank you.